attach it kind of like a backpack. There's something in the jay family, or in the Corvidae family, that helps these birds be intelligent.
Yeah, that bird right there is a big star with tourists, helping to pump in money into the valley's economy. And tonight, that is, wildlife researchers are working to learn more about the green jay. Channel 5's Christian von Preissing explains that research and also what's behind that work.
They're putting radios on birds to try to figure out what they're thinking and where they're going so they can preserve the places the green jay uses.
Getting the bird means a trick that starts with a little trap, a little food inside, and a patient team of scientists.
Okay, wait.
Accustomed to watching and tolerating other birds out here that aren't so smart.
Just give them a moment to get fully in.
They're here for one bird in particular.
Because he may turn around and run out.
A bird that looks around as it enters. It's happy for the free bits of corn. It knows in nature there are tricks all around.
Go, 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 go.
Every second counts. Another one of these birds escaped the team once today. They need this bird in hand to continue their work.
There's our green jay.
This is the green jay. Its colors are vibrant. It puts up a fight.
Doesn't hurt though.
It squawks, attract other birds in the area.
And the other birds are hearing, and they're coming to investigate, see, is he okay, what's going on.
Green jays are known to live in families and watch out for each other. Wildlife biologist Tony Hinahan and intern Caleb Arellano have one bird that doesn't have the marks of an adult male or female. They call it a helper bird.
Mom and dad are actually making the nest and breeding, and then this bird is a bird from last year that is helping them raise this year's young.
This team of researchers is marking the sex, age, taking blood samples, and banding the bird with rings on their legs that'll allow them to be identified in the future.
So
their main task.
Backpack is now on, and we just need to secure it.
They're putting on a radio tracker that'll allow them to track the bird over a maximum of 130 days.
Okay. Getting a signal.
Using an antenna.
And we understand what the birds need by tracking them.
Hinahan says once they find out where they go, they can develop plans to preserve these areas this smart bird enjoys.
They're able to problem solve. They're able to think things through. And that is also kind of an interesting aspect to a wild animal. What is it doing in its environment?
They've been intelligent enough to avoid a capture and avoided revealing where they're headed up until now.
Probably doing something different than your typical bird, and figuring that out is going to be really fun, I think.
The other birds may be green with envy at this clever and good-looking species.
And Parks and Wildlife says once they know where the birds spend their time, they'll use that information to form a more complete conservation plan. The goal after that is to inform cities in the valley what they can do to preserve the birds' habitat. Then Channel 5 News Studio, Christian von Preissing, Channel 5 News at 10.